Look, I'm a bad mother, ooh, you better watch.
And I do have a little coffee bean that wants to join us.
Oh, you want to come? Oh, that'll be cool. That'll be cool, man. I'm following Mike. We are getting ready to head down. You know, an area where we about to do a little bit of racing. You know, I got my slightly modified Chrysler 200. He has his RT all-wheel drive Dodge Charger. No, I'm not expecting to beat him or anything like that, but I'm expecting just to have pretty much just a lot of fun and something different to bring to you guys here on the channel. So I think it'll be fun. See, I had to get my my little headband GoPro going on so you can see everything that I see. But just a couple miles and we should be there. Look at that. I like that. Dude, look at that, man. That thing look mean. I think it's definitely mean. Woo-hoo, that thing is spitting up, boy. That's definitely gonna be my next car. I think my next car is without a doubt gonna be a Charger. I like a Charger. I'm sorry, I just love them. Scat Pack Hellcat, most likely it's gonna be a Scat Pack. That Hellcat a little pricey there. I can't afford that engine there, but you know, we're gonna make something happen. Definitely gonna get something. There's another Charger right there. I like his, definitely like his. The wrap that he got done on there. King running pretty good today. So we're gonna see what it do. Absolutely gonna see what it do. Definitely love Mopar. As far as my 200, you know what I'm gonna do on my channel, guys? I am going to do a few things to my car for the channel. Different modifications, different things I'm gonna add to my car, and I'm gonna do it right all on my channel, so you guys can check it out, see everything that I'm doing with it, and you just watch me grow with my car. You know, eventually I'm gonna have to get rid of it, because without a doubt I am getting a Charger Scat Pack. And we just get that, do some modifications to that too. I think I got enough gas. I think I'm good on gas. What you think? I think I'm good on gas. Oh well, we're gonna see. If I run out of gas, oh well, we'll find out. But I think I'm good though. Hey, comment down also. Let me know if you want to see more racing. You know, I like racing. I'm sure there's a lot of other billion other people out there that like racing just as much as I do. Even if it's just a rolling race. So that's what I'll be doing this time, just a rolling race. Nothing crazy or too crazy, but yeah, we're on the way there. We almost there. I said it was a couple miles, so a couple miles was about a couple miles ago. What's going on? I want to see how my car performs. For those of you who don't know, I did add a performance chip to my car, so it's slightly modified just a little bit, so it gives me a little bit more horsepower. I'm well above 300 horsepower now. My goal is to at least get this car built up to about 500 horsepower. I don't know why I haven't already added a cold air intake to it. That is the next modification that I will be adding to my car, and I'll put that video up soon too, when I do it, of course. But I'll put that up, and we can take a look and do that together. I'm pretty much just trying to see the difference in what this performance chip has done to my car, and how well it tuned my engine. That's pretty much all a performance chip is. A performance chip is just a guy, a nerd with a computer in a chip that tunes your car, that tunes your engine. That's pretty much what it is, man. You just a guy, computer diagnostics. So this is it, right? All right, cool, bet. So this is a pretty nice little strip right here. This is where we might race at. So he said he's going to show me the other one. We could take, just take our pick. Nice little strip, no cars, no police around. That's a good thing, of course. But I don't see any police around here, just a bunch of factories around here and a bunch of open land. Second one? You tell me, whichever one you think is better, that's one we choose. I thought that one might have been a little bit better. A little smoother? Yeah, a little bit better as far as, and not as much traffic either.
Okay, we'll hit that one. We'll go back and probably stop.
We'll holler at him real quick and then we'll see what we're gonna do.
So we'll hit the other side of that light.
Yeah.
And then there should be a place that we can pull over for a second. And then we'll wait for traffic.
Cool. And then so and then once we get there, I'm gonna get out so I can turn your camera on, and we should be good to go. What's up, man? You ready for this? It's gonna be fun.
My little racer.
All right, let's go. I'm following you. Go ahead. All right. Ooh, I wish they would join us in the race. Oh, look at that right there. Oh. Now that's exactly why you check. I damn sure didn't see that cop sitting there when we were driving down, but I seen him then. You see that cop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't do it on that strip.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm like, we definitely didn't see him coming this way.
Now the nice thing is, this street right here is his borderline.
We're gonna get out right here. I'm gonna turn on his camera. And we're gonna have some fun, baby. Let me go turn on his camera. I'll be right back.
It's gonna be the straightest strip we got.
Yeah, I like this. Just start at 40?
Yep.
40 to 100? That cool?
That's cool with me.
Yeah, 40 to 100, somewhere around that area. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know what? So you think it's far enough? Long? You think it's
I definitely think we definitely back it off before we hit that little bridge.
We're racing down this way, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll head down there. Once we I guess probably come up to the bridge, we should be, you know, try to be right there at 40 miles right there, and just go till you hit 100. Good for you?
Good for me.
All right. All right, so you are now on.
All right, buddy.
All right, time to see what we can do. I'm turning around. All righty. Hey, it should be perfect. So as soon as we come off of here, we should be able to hit 40 by that bridge and go from there.
Got it.
All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so guys, this was my first race, and obviously you can see that I lost. Did I think I would win? Not really. Like I said, this was more so just to feel the difference that the Stage 3 performance chip has done to my engine. Let's get back to the video. You got one more? That was beautiful. One more, so we're gonna do the same thing. One more. So you see that, man? That was pretty nice, man. What happened was exactly what I expected to happen. I was gonna he was gonna beat me, but I was just gonna keep up with him and then maintain the distance that we had. So exactly what I thought was gonna happen did happen. I'm happy. I think I can say that I can keep up. My Chrysler 200 can keep up with a Charger RT. So I thought it was kind of fun. Definitely kind of fun. Yo.
I was gonna say, if we're free and clear heading that way.
Shit, yeah, we can do that. That'll work. You want to do that? So where you want to start from pretty much right here?
Yeah, we'll just start our roll. Hit
Yeah.
40 again. Count it down.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, look, I'm a bad mother, ooh, you better watch your mouth. People know I bring it home, they be bad.
There you guys have it, man. What you think about that race? I thought it was nice, it was dope. That thing is fast, boy. That thing is fast right there, sir. I appreciate it, man. That was a race right there.
That was a lot of fun.
That was definitely a lot of fun, man. Guys, I know you like that as well. It's a lot of fun, a lot of racing. More stuff like this I'm gonna add to my channel soon, man. So if you haven't already done so at the beginning of the video, it is now time for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Give the video a like as well. Go ahead and share it also. I appreciate it. Some likes, some shares will go a million miles. You don't even understand how far that goes, man. But I appreciate your time. This is your boy Holland here on Viral Speed, man. And we out.
Scored points, I had to shade. Went from bad boy to Batman to Bruce Wayne. I'm a Hall of Fame, left Negro, Hank Thomas, leave on Big Hurt. First base on Frank Thomas, this is God work. I get blessed on every sneeze, no more trip.